stage is yours. Wala ba kayong mga kamay? From among the audience, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our former DepEd official, and it's an honor to have him tonight together with his lovely wife, Mr. Bernardino and Cristina Pajaron. Ma'am and sir, mayong gabi. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, they are now ready, huh? They will be dancing Sayaw It Tapio na Bangko. This is an unusual dance, and the meaning of this dance is dance on top of a bench. And the dancers actually perform the dance on top of a narrow bench. This is a lively native dance of the barrio of Pangapisan in Lingayen, Pangasinan, which calls for skill and good balance. Here is your entry number 2 tonight in the junior category. Put your hands together for Bernardo Carpio, National High School Dance Troupe. Your time starts now.
Sayaw sa Bangko.
Entry number 2. That's from Bernardo Carpio, National High School.